Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Saini. I did my graduation from IIT Guwahati in chemical engineering. I took offline coaching from GATE coach in 2019. I got All India rank of 382 in GATE 2020. After that I got admission in IIT Kanpur for my masters. This year I got All India rank of 119 with self study. I got selected for IOCL as an officer. I want to thank the GATE course faculties and management team for providing me a good environment for my preparation. I would like to thank Ankush Gupta sir and Ankur Bansal sir for mentoring me throughout this journey. All the best for those students who are preparing for GATE 2023 and PSU interviews, and congratulations to my GATE course classmates, especially MD Afroz, Aswini Kumar and Nisa Singh for their selection in IOCL. Thank you.